Hey guys, Brett here, and in this video I'm going to show you the basic usage of the Review Wizard WordPress plugin. Now the first thing I want to say is that Review Wizard is designed to work with WordPress posts. And if you're following the training, that's what you're going to be making. You're going to be making WordPress posts. Review Wizard is not designed to work with WordPress pages. So once you install the Review Wizard WordPress plugin, it's going to add a new section to the post editor. So when you're editing or creating a new post, underneath the text editor, you're going to see the Review Wizard section. Review Wizard allows you to add three things to your site. The very first thing is the ratings. This is so that you can rate the product that you're reviewing. It allows you to rate the product on three key topics. The defaults are price, concept, execution, or value. And then Review Wizard will automatically calculate an overall total rating based on what you enter in these four concepts. Now you can adjust these keys to anything you want. The defaults are just there for default. You can go to the settings section and change these to be anything you want. So if you don't want it to be price, you can go ahead and change this and rate it on some other topic. It's also going to allow you to enter in pros and cons for the product that you're reviewing. It's going to allow you to enter a call to action bar. The call to action bar is a bar that shows at the bottom of your review, and that is sticky. It also has text that is clickable and should be clickable to your affiliate link. This way, no matter where somebody is at when they're reading your review, there's always a clickable affiliate link right in front of them if they choose to buy after reading your review. Finally, Review Wizard does something that a lot of themes don't do. I've tested a lot of themes, and one thing that I've noticed is that so many of them leave out basic meta tags. It leaves out keywords and descriptions. There are a lot of WordPress themes out there, but for some reason, the people who create these themes don't have sections for keywords and for description meta tags. Review Wizard allows you to enter in these keyword and description meta tags inside of your review posts. So if we look at this test, you can see I'm actually using all the options, and that is because this is a test and I want to show you how all the functionality works. So I have the ratings set to yes, so that way it's using them. I've selected my ratings. I've entered in my pros and my cons. I have my call to action bar set to yes because I want to show you how that works. I've entered the text that I want to show into my call to action bar, and I have my link. Now normally this would be an affiliate link, but I'm just linking back to my own personal blog since it's just an example. I've also entered in my SEO keywords, and generally you should have 3 to 5 SEO keywords, and you should have them separated by commas. Finally, I have my SEO description, so this plugin will automatically enter in a meta description tag. This should be 10 to 25 words that describes what product you're reviewing and what the purpose of this post is for. You might notice that there is no save button here, and that's because Review Wizard uses the WordPress functionality. So when you save or update your post, it will actually automatically save or update the Review Wizard settings. So I'm going to go ahead and update this now. And we can go over to this test post and take a look and see what it looks like live. So this is my test post, and again, this is just a test on my testing blog. It's not an actual review. If I was doing a real review, I would have text content underneath this review section. I would also have my link be clickable and have it be my affiliate link for the product that I'm reviewing. But you can see my rating section right here, and it's going to display based on the settings. You can actually change the color scheme, you can change the star icons, and you can change these texts as well if you want to rate it on different topics other than price, concept, execution, and value. Underneath here, you can see my call to action bar, which is going to be sticky, so it's always going to be available for people that actually want to click to buy after you're reading your review. And although you can't see it, my meta tags are now inside of the HTML for this post code, so that way it will improve your SEO rankings. Now let me go over to the settings section and show you how the settings work, show you how you can adjust the look and feel of this review section. If you click on the Review Wizard link on the left-hand side of your WordPress admin, it's going to take you to the settings section. And in the settings section, you can change the tags for the ratings. So as I said, the defaults are price, concept, execution, and value. And you can simply change this text to be able to rate a product on any other metric that you want. You can also change the color scheme for your review section. So the default is black. If I want to go ahead and change this to red, for example, I'll simply click on red, click on Save Settings. It's going to adjust my settings. And then if we go back to the test post, you can see both the color scheme of the review section and the call to action bar has changed. And this way you can adjust the color scheme to match what looks good with your blog theme and your blog design. The last setting is your star type. So you can set what type of stars you want to use. So the default is the plain yellow stars that I've showed you before, but you can also pick an award icon, a light bulb icon, a crown icon, a heart, a thumbs up, a trophy, or a person. This way you can fully customize the review box to look the way you want it to look unique to your site and to match your site's layout and design. So that's the basic usage of the Review Wizard WordPress plugin. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'm always glad to be of assistance when I can. Thank you and enjoy.